guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It is Jessie here, and today I'm playing hide and seek, and we have to hurry up because we have no time to talk about, but we have to just hide. So where we are in the backyard, that's what it picks out, and we're gonna find a place now to hide. Today I'm by myself, not with my brother, because we were trying to play together, but it didn't work because the game was full. And so yeah, I'm just playing by myself, but the next video, my brother is hopefully gonna be with us. Hopefully nothing will happen like the same today. So yeah, I guess. Oh, there's only 9, 7, 6. Oh my gosh, seconds to hide. Oh my gosh. Oh, jeez, this is bad. This is bad. This is so bad. Okay, we have to. Oh, he, two other people are already found, and that is bad. I guess. Okay, I'm going up the tree, and then I guess I'm just gonna be hiding still. So I'm gonna check where is it. Oh, it is there. It is there. He is there, guys, so we have to be a bit. Well, we don't have to be quiet because he doesn't hear us, I guess. But we have to just keep an eye on him. Okay, where is it? I don't see it. Oh, I saw him. He just jumped up. Oh no, he's coming. He's coming towards us. He's coming towards us. It just looks like that. Okay, so we're still going. The time is not running. Oh, I just gotta find where he is. Oh, I just got a friend that it was him. So I'm gonna hide somewhere else because there's a lot of people. Oh, and he's running up to us, and I have to run away. Lip. I can't get up. Okay. I have to just run away somewhere. Hopefully, we're gonna be the last ones to be caught, because that's why I hopefully find. Oh, he was found. Oh, bro. Oh my gosh. Oh, lip it. Oh, this is bad. This is so bad. This is so bad. Okay, I'm going up on this. Hopefully, it will work out well. Lip. He's coming. He's coming for us. He's just right there. Okay, it just went here, there. So I'm gonna hide personally here because I think it's gonna be the best thing where to hide. Wait, how big is this thing? So we're gonna hide here, and we can see because I don't think so he will find us. So there's 8 people left to hide, and yeah, I hopefully think that we're gonna be one of them what's gonna survive. There's only 1 minute left. So as you can hear someone typing in the background, that's my brother playing some Roblox too. Playing a different game, with different people, and yeah. No, please. Oh, phew, I thought he's following us. Okay. Okay, a lot of people joined the game and left the game. There's only 22 seconds left. So I think we're gonna be safe and not caught. So that's pretty good. And once I want to be on, why not? Only 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 7 people out of 13 were found, and we were one of them. Yes! thank you, everyone. Now we're picking. What is it gonna be? What's the map? So there's new maps here. There's new maps, and it's the store. I really love the store because I my chance of becoming it is 6%, so it's pretty good. He was already on. Well, not from the last one when I was playing this, and before I was doing the video, he was on. So where this is it. Yeah, he was on. I didn't see. No, I'm going somewhere else. Don't have a lot of time. I have only 30 seconds, like about 30 seconds to hide. That's pretty bad. So we're still going. We're still going. About 22 seconds left to hide. That's not that bad because we're gonna hide in this machine. I hope what they think. I guess. So let's go. Whee, whee. Can I hide behind this? No. Oh my gosh, there's only 2 seconds left to hide. Okay, so we're hiding here, as you guys can see. Don't know if you can see me, but I honestly think that I think we're gonna get caught, cause this bacon head here is gonna show us where it is. Okay, so he's running away from us, so that's going pretty good. He's like about nearly 400 away from us. That's really good. Yeah, he's so far away from us. He's at 500. As you can see, guys, you can see it here. And yes, we're still in the game. Nothing caught us. Oh, I thought he's going closer because he was on 300. He's going closer to us. Ooh, oh, flip. I see it. Guys, do you see that thing there? Okay. If it is here, I'm gonna be starting running like crazy. Oh no, he's going away from us. Yes, he's going away. I think he went through the doors. That's really good so far. Yes, he's at 400. He saved my life. No, he's coming closer. Yeah, he is. Yes, guys, he is coming closer to us. No, now far. He's getting closer. Okay, so the bacon head went away somewhere. Hopefully he won't find us. They're running like crazy, these people. So I don't know. I think so. They're running after them. He's coming closer. No, guys. Oh, I see him. No, that's not him. Okay, so guys, I'll let you know if it is any closer to me, and if he is, I'm gonna show you. Be right back. So guys, it is right there. He is there. Do you see him? There. Okay, so he didn't see us. I think he's going up on that. He just stopped. Oh, he's there. Guys, do you see him? Do you see him? He's there. He's right there. Okay, so you guys saw him, and yes, we have to stay alive. We have to stay alive. Because the more you stay alive, the less you're going to be on. So be right back if something is going to happen. Hide and seek. Ah, hold it down. Guys, we were alive. I forgot to show you guys the last moment. I was literally running away and I forgot to record. I thought I was recording, but I literally forgot. Sorry, guys. But now we are picking the round where we are going and picking the character. Hopefully, it's me because I really want to be it. I don't know why I want to be it, but I just want. It's him. It's him again. He is to be on as well. Okay, so we're playing in the yard again. So where we are gonna hide is we are not allowed to hide in the same place because that's a bit of cheating, guys. We honestly know it's like cheating, and we are not cheaters, right? We're not cheaters, guys. Are you coming with me? Okay, so I thought of hiding somewhere like here behind this, like here. So I'm hiding here. This is pretty a good spot, I think. Hopefully he won't find us, I guess. So I'm gonna show you guys when he is gonna be finding. So guys, he is hiding now, and I mean he is finding us. I'm the one who's hiding. And yeah, people are just going crazy. Oh, you saw him? You saw him there? He's there. Is he coming close? No, he's going away. See him? He's just right there. You can't see of this chat. I wish I could put the chat. Oh, yeah, put the chat away. Oh, guys, did you just see him there? Okay, he's going far away. Oh, see this kind of little glitter thing? It's like here. Can you see kind of this glitter here thing? And yes, it's great. Okay, so when he's gonna be closer to us, I'm gonna show you guys. So be right back. Guys, he is coming closer. I can't see him nowhere. He's going further. He's going closer now. I'm a bit scared. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Did you just see him, guys? It was just there. Okay, I have to go this way. Okay, he's going further. Look further. He's going closer. Oh no, he's going further. So he's going way further. So we can check where he is. Oh, he's there. So he was literally right here inside. Well, good that we went hide in there. Because, yeah, why not? And there is something in the item shop. What? Oh, you got that free, e, free stuff. I want to see if I can buy any pets. Guess no. But we're gonna buy this. Wait, oh flip. What did I do? So guys, we survived this again. And I want to put this thing back, but I can't, and I don't know what's happening. But I want to be on. So guys, I guess we're not on, and yeah. So